It's me, Tasha. You know, Ortiz 8. So I'll be doing an unboxing for you guys today. I'll be unboxing a tripod that I got. It's a 50-inch. It's nothing serious, not expensive, something really cheap. It's like a cheap alternative. You know, if you're on a budget and you're doing photography and you need a tripod, that's the one you might want to get. So I'll be inserting, I got it from Best Buy. It's one of those really cheap ones. I'll be inserting a picture like over here of how much it is and all that, and what it looks like, and where you know, if you want to get it. It was $16.99. That's like without tax, so it's really affordable. It's under $20. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. So let's get right into it. This is what I got from Best Buy. It's a really cheap tripod that I got. It looks like this. You know, I'm a photographer, so I needed it. There it is. Open it right here. I'm doing this one-handed, you know, because obviously I just got the tripod. I don't have one. There we go again. Okay, that's everything that came in the box. Comes in this little bag, which is very cute. Here's the opener. This is what it looks like. I think it was like $16.99. I think it was on sale or something. If I could find the link, I'll provide it down below. So it's plastic off. These are the mounts that it comes with. Comes with a mount for your phone. I don't know what this other one is for. I think this is for, let me see the box. I think this is for like the GoPro or something. This one. I don't really know what it's for. But yeah. Here's this. I'm guessing this one on here is for the camera. Yeah, this is really small. Really small. Okay, this is how it looks. How it looks. It's really tiny. Wow. Okay, this is cool. Not bad. That's another cool feature. Nice. So this is it. Yeah. So if you guys are looking to get this, I got it at Best Buy. It's a really cheap alternative, I guess. Something quick. Nothing serious. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. This is the tripod. I opened it up and I extended it. It's pretty tall. I think it's about, I'm not even sure. It says 50-inch on the thing, so it's about 50 inches. This is it right here. Yep, so I do photography, so I'll be using this a lot for that. In case you guys were wondering how it looks like that.